first mate, Kobe. Are ye ready for an adventure?
Arr, sure am, Captain Eddie.
Pirate ship!
Pirate ship!
Pirate ship!
Pirate ship!
I hope it's true that Pancake Island has a hot chocolate volcano and brown sugar beaches.
Butter patties! Look out!
Butter ahead! Look out!
Shoo, you parrots! Shoo!
Shoo, you parrots! Shoo, you parrots!
parrots!
Look at those butter patties. That's what I call a very slippery situation. Good thing you're steering, Eddie. Eddie?
Whoa! Water skis! Kobe, take the wheel.
Me? Steer the boat? I don't know, Eddie. You're the captain.
It's easy. When Sophie says go right, go right. She says go left, go left. Simple. See ya!
But Eddie!
Just follow Sophie's directions.
Wahoo! Left is, let's see, that way? Or is that right? Why can't I ever remember this?
We're sailing into more butter, and it looks sticky. Quick, turn left.
So that means I turn this way.
No, no! I said turn left.
Turn left! Turn left!
Guess that was left.
Guess that was left! Guess that was left! That was left!
You're gonna repeat everything I say, aren't you?
Repeat everything I say! Repeat everything I say!
Come on, you birds, quit it!
Oh no! It looks like Pancake Island is surrounded by butterbirds. We gotta get out of here. Quick, Kobe! Turn right!
Oh boy, I hope this works.
Woohoo! Kobe, what are you doing? Now we're heading towards Pancake Island. We're gonna get flattened, like a pancake. One left, now a right.
One left! Now right! Left! Right!
Hey, don't confuse
One
me.
left.
I
Now
have
right.
enough trouble telling left from right.
Trouble telling left from right! Trouble telling left from right!
Shh, my friends will hear you.
Trouble telling left from right! Trouble telling left from right!
Shoo! Shoo!
This is amazing! Kobe, grab the wheel!
Kobe, grab the wheel! Kobe, grab the wheel!
Whew. That ride got kind of bumpy, but I liked it. What's happening? Our ship's in trouble, and Kobe isn't listening to my directions at all. What in the name of jumping jellyfish is going on with him? I don't know, Sophie, but I'm gonna find out. Ready, steady, Eddie! Need a little help, Kobe?
Trouble telling left from right! Trouble telling left from right!
Those silly parrots. What are they squawking about?
Trouble telling left from right!
Trouble telling left from right?
They're talking about me. Thanks a lot, guys. Now everyone knows I can't tell my left from my right.
Aw, Kobe, don't feel bad.
Easy for you to say. It isn't hard for you and Eddie.
But you're never gonna learn if you're afraid to ask.
Don't feel embarrassed or ashamed. It's something that every kid faces. I'll tell you a secret. I can't tie my shoelaces.
Wait, you can't tie your laces?
You can always ask for help. Just give a little yell. I will always understand. Lend me a helping hand.
Eddie. But Sophie, you do everything well.
Oh, really?
I can tie my shoes, I know my ABCs. I go down the big slide in the park, but at bedtime, my secret is I'm still afraid of the dark. But I can always ask for help. I just give a little yell. Friends will understand. They will lend a helping hand. You can always ask for help. Just give a little yell. I will always understand. Lend me a helping hand.
Thanks, guys. I had no idea you two ever needed help with anything. You're awesome friends.
Awesome friends! Awesome friends!
Hey, Kobe, want to help me steer the ship?
Do I ever? I mean, aye, Captain Eddie. Next stop!